Sudama, Sudama. Hey Sudama. Oh, Sudama is not to be found anywhere. He should have been here by now. No worries. Till the time he comes, I will play this flute here.
Hey Murlidhar, you are here.
Hey Sudama. Who is Murlidhar? There is no one here apart from me.
Hey bro, you are Murlidhar. Since you were playing flute, that's why I got to know your location.
Hey Sudama, people call me with various names. That's why I get confused. I keep thinking if it is really my name or someone else's name. Anyways, buddy, you tell me, why are you so late today?
Did you call me buddy? Today you are calling me buddy. Tomorrow you will call me papad, and day after tomorrow you will call me pickle. What does all these names mean?
Hey my friend Sudama, I didn't call you by any rubbish like name. I called you buddy. Buddy, and buddy means friend, dear one, bro. Hey Sudama, in 21st century, everyone will call their friends by this name, buddy.
Oh, is it Krishna? So you are also my buddy.
Hey buddy Sudama, why are you so late to reach here today?
My dear friend, actually the thing is that today my mom had sent me to the jungle to get woods. And in order to collect and give her wood, I got late today.
Hey Sudama, do you have to go every day to the jungle to get the wood?
Yeah, that's right my friend. I don't have a choice. No matter if it is raining or it's cold, every day I have to go to the jungle and get the wood.
My friend, don't cry. There is a solution to every problem.
Hey my friend, what is all this?
My friend, it is a gas burner and this is gas cylinder. In 21st century, all the ladies will use this to cook food in every house. And nothing like leaves, wood, charcoal is required to use this.
Magic my friend, this is really magic. This gadget is really unbelievable.
Hey Krishna, Sudama, you guys are here. And I am searching for you guys since long. And Sudama, what is this in your hand? Are you going for some bodybuilding competition?
This is not a bodybuilding material. This is a gadget to cook food. And in 21st century, all the ladies use this to cook food. And this is gifted to me by my buddy Krishna.
Hey my friend Krishna, can I get a machine that helps me to see the one whom I important, and also I can speak to anyone whom I want to speak with? Sure. Take this. Hey my friend Krishna, this looks like a biscuit. Should I eat it? No my friend, this is not a biscuit. It is a mobile phone. With the help of this, you can see whoever you miss. You can even talk on this and even see the person. It's a mobile phone, my friend. Hey friend, this is magic. The gadget is really awesome. My friend, if you want to send any message to someone, you can even do that on this phone. And you can even send it in any language that you want. My friend, I know only Odia language. And apart from that, I don't know any other language. My dear, do not worry for such petty things. On your mobile, you can download UDictionary app, click on e-app, and then go to settings. And switch on the magic translate feature on your phone, my friend. Oh, what is this magic translation? Does it do some kind of magic or something? Yes, my friend, there will be magic on your phone. And via this magic, if you type any message or anything, then you can translate the same in your desired language you wish to. This means I will be able to read in any language and I can even write in any language. But my friend Krishna, there is one more problem. All my cows and buffaloes are missing. I don't know where they are. Can you please play your flute? I am sure if they hear the flute, they all will come back. Hey, you really do magic, man. Thank you very much. Listening to your flute, my Gauri and Bauri are back here.
Krishna. I'm searching for you since long now. But thanks to your flute, it helped me to find your location.
Kans uncle, listen. Whoever you had sent to kill me, I have already killed all of them. All their chapters are closed now. And listen, stop dreaming to kill me, Kans uncle.
Actually, I was busy, and that's why I could not come to meet you, and hence sent my assistants. But today, I have come personally. My name is Kans. I will not leave you today. Today, no one can save you from me, Krishna.
Alright, Kans uncle. Let me see who lives and who dies today.
Come, Krishna, come.
Kans uncle, take this. Kans uncle,
Oh! Hey, Gora,
Ah.
leave me.
Ah.
I'm Kans and
Ah.
you are Krishna.
Ah.
And you are beating me since when in your dreams? Since the time you have heard Krishna's story from your grandpa, you keep becoming Krishna and think that I am Kans and keep
Oh, Dad,
beating
sorry,
me.
sorry.
Wait,
Please leave
I
me,
will
Dad.
show.
It was a mistake.
Wait.
Sorry,
Ah.
it was just a
Ah.
dream and I
Wait.
didn't do anything
Wait.
deliberately.
Wait.
Sorry, Dad.